In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add customer database Monday.com quick guide. We're going to take a clean customer list from your computer and bring it into Monday.com so it becomes a structured, searchable database your team can use. We'll start from the home view, move into the right workspace, open the options menu, choose import, and then browse for your file. First, head to the home screen of your Monday.com account. Home gives you a clear starting point and quick access to your workspaces. If you have multiple teams or departments, each one may have its own workspace, so it's a good idea to decide in advance where this customer database should live. Next, click your workspace. This is where your new customer database will be created and shared. Make sure you have the right permissions to add items or boards here. If you're unsure, check with an admin before you proceed so your import completes without any access issues. Now, look to the top right corner and click the three dots. This opens the options menu for advanced actions that aren't always visible up front. It's the quickest path to tools you won't see on the main toolbar. Hover over More Actions. You'll see additional tools expand under this menu. Think of it as the extended toolbox for your workspace, and it's where the import feature lives. Click Import Task. This launches the import flow that turns your spreadsheet into a structured board. Monday.com typically supports common formats like CSV or Excel, and it will guide you through bringing that data in as items and columns. If your goal is a customer database, you'll usually import a simple CSV. Finally, browse your files and select the customer list you've prepared. For best results, your file should have clear column headers, such as name, email, company, phone, and any custom fields you use, like status or account owner. Keep one header row, avoid merged cells, and make sure each row represents a single customer. Consistent formats help a lot. Dates in the same style, phone numbers with country codes if needed, and emails in a single column. If you have duplicate contacts, consider consolidating those before you upload so you don't end up with repeated entries. Once your file is selected, the import tool will guide you to align your columns to Monday.com's fields and preview the data. When it finishes, your customer database will appear inside the workspace you chose, ready to sort, filter, and collaborate on with your team. That's it. Home, choose your workspace, open the three-dot menu, hover More Actions, click Import Task, and browse for your file.